William, William, what's this? Hey, buddy. Do you want to open your new sneakers? What is that? What is that? Ooh. They look like sunglasses and beach shoes. Those would be good for Bradley Palmer. Someone sounds. Look at these kicks. These look pretty fly for a white guy. Not as exciting to you? Oh, that's wicked cute. Ready? What's this? I'm just opening up his clothes.
I broke my sock, but that's okay. That's okay, Mommy.
You broke it already? Well, we can save them. Let's put them in here. Put them in this. Okay? And then we'll put all the chalk together. You can still use it, right? Let William open up the rest of your stuff. What's that, buddy? Tape? Look at this. Is this real leather? Mock leather biker jacket. Pretty cool. What else? Grab that one. That's all.
What's this one?
Those are stacking toys.
Okay.
Yep.
How'd you open them?
I'll open them for you.
Thank you.
Cute stuff, Grandma. Cute stuff. Alright.